Hey, welcome to another video. I ordered some stuff from Amazon. This is a timer for the hose to water my garden. This right here, look at the name. I have dreads. This right here is a good shampoo for your hair if you have dreads. It's not good, it's great. Okay? So, another thing I ordered was this. If you're a trucker, you will know what this is. This is to slide the trailer, which is called the tandems. Slide the trailer to the weight you want it to make you legal. Okay? And drum roll, drum roll, drum roll, drum roll. I don't hear no drum roll. I'm going to give you my honest opinion on this. I purchased two of them. You get them on Amazon. The first time I purchased them, they were out of stock. So, I got my bowl here. Don't look bad. Wow, smells great. I swear to God, it smells great. Alright, I'm going to put it in the microwave, so please stay tuned.